Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshni. So for today's video, I have a special guest with me.
Hi guys, my name is Madhusmita and I'm a YouTuber too from Odisha itself.
So today we are going to do the blindfold challenge. You guys requested, many of you, some of you though, requested me, and so we are going to do that. And we also did a
no mirror makeup
challenge on her channel. I'll link everything in the description bar below, her channel's profile and everything. So let's get started. So everything is in front of you. Everything is in front of you. Let's start.
Timer acha nahi.
Sabu seiti achi. Okay. So she will have to choose everything lying there. I'm not helping you anything. Okay, with anything. Let's start. Okay, here it is.
First let me search your face.
Over there it
You
says.
know what? I'm not getting it, so I'm just using this tray as a timer.
Cool.
Just close your eyes.
Okay.
What is the body line?
Oh shit. We'll just keep that aside. Are we done with the primer?
अच्छा सीखने रहना ना.
Okay, sure. Next.
जिससे मैं भी मेरे.
Yes.
अरे यार.
धीरे से डालना.
अच्छा you help me with that like.
Okay, wait. I guess this much will work. Not supposed to help you. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's the reason why I told you to help me. Because I don't want to, waste makeup products.
Yes. There.
This is the beauty blender.
Yeah. Let's blend it out. Okay, wait, let me ask you a question. When did you thought of starting YouTube?
I guess that when there was no IGTV, like there was no IGTV back then, so and everyone was asking me to post your everyday makeup routine, and then 1 minute में I can't post on my Insta, so
So you prefer YouTube or IGTV?
IGTV for now, because in IGTV I'm getting more views than YouTube.
Sure.
I guess it is concealer.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Give and hold it.
I can't do it.
Yeah.
at least मुझे पता है कि that you know I have put the concealer in the right place.
Okay, I'm not saying anything.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Alright.
Wow, you're doing a really good job.
I know I'm not. Thank you for-
Blindfold. No, really.
It's almost perfect.
It's okay. It's not even mine. I forgot.
Well, yeah, done. Now, blush, right?
Blush and contour is together, okay? So you have to make it out which side is blush and which side is contour. It's like the 3-in-1 highlighter
Okay,
blush
if
thing.
this is sugar one, then I guess beach वाला highlighting part है.
वो तो obvious है.
This is blush and this is one.
Yeah, this is blush. Okay. I guess we'll use this sticker, same brush we use for powder. That will be better. Little bit has to be. So that's what?
This is blush, na?
You said that's contour. You said it yourself.
Wait, let me just remember the sugar palette. This is blush. I'm like 90% sure this is blush.
Okay.
I don't know if it's red or not. I really can't see it.
It's okay. We'll see last में. हाँ.
So the highlighting does work, right?
Obviously it works. Use your hands.
Yeah, I use my hand.
Okay.
Like, I've never used this palette, so is it like the small one?
Yeah, it's the same.
Same, huh?
Okay. Oh my god. You need a clean.
I know. At least I know I'm doing this palette right.
Yeah. She just puts on highlighter like anything.
Oh, I forgot to bring my brow powder.
I guess you have to use the eyeshadow palette.
How will I know which color?
That is the thing. How will you know?
Okay, fine. Next, done. Okay, now eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Color, I think this side में है brown. Just don't remember. Yeah, this is so tough.
Okay, I don't even have a brush for it, so I guess you have to apply it with your hands.
How? For God, possible.
Just try it. It's okay. It's okay. You're a beauty blogger. You should be expert in like everything.
अरे
with
but
hands.
हाथ में कैसे होता है?
तो वो challenges होते हैं ना doing the whole face with hands वाला thing. So it's okay.
Okay, I'll try.
Yes.
Okay. Where is the?
First we'll do eyebrows or eyeshadow?
I know. Actually, I'm thinking that I'll do a neutralize. So if I'm going to put the same eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow in your to fill your brows, then I'll use the same to your crease.
Okay. Making it simple.
हाँ.
चलो ठीक है.
So what to do?
I don't know. Creativity.
I'll apply some random shade, okay? Because I'm blind.
Yes. So. We have a brush over there. Yes, we do. It's just too tight.
It's okay. मैं वैसे भी eyeliner करने नहीं वाली हूँ.
This is not fair. You have to do. I'll pick it up.
अरे आप भी.
That's okay. So which shade is that? Do you know?
No, I have no idea.
That is a transition shade, right?
पता नहीं. I'm just doing anything I want. Creativity ना. Creativity.
ठीक है.
Okay, now I'll take a shimmer shade.
Shimmer shade.
This is shimmer shade. I can feel this is shimmer.
Let's apply them then.
Yeah.
Okay. It's looking really pretty.
Wow. See it. Hold it. क्योंकि आज रोशनी दी को ना सब लोगों ने ना बहुत सुंदर होके देखे और जोकर भी देखे.
You are doing a pretty good job actually, you know. Okay. Wow. I'm doing so much like a bulb.
I love highlighter.
Yeah, everyone can see that.
In the corner and close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, now eyeliner. Eyeliner. You kept it right?
Yeah, I kept. To do. Come on. You make a perfect
Not
wing.
not blinded.
You can.
Not when I'm blind. Okay. I need a mirror.
Let's make that one peak.
यार लग गया.
Done?
मस्कारा बाकी है.
हाँ.
But I don't want to poke your eyes, so it's okay.
No, you have to do. It's okay if it get poke or something. Lipstick and mascara is left.
Lipstick.
Mascara pehle na?
Make it a
Okay, because you already kept it aside.
That's the reason why I hate this taking light. You know? Kutte hote na.
I'll help you with closing it up. Are you done with the lipstick?
हाँ.
Okay. Mascara.
Alright, keep it.
I'm looking so flawless, you know, right now.
Glowing.
Glowing. Wow. Don't poke my eye, okay?
That's the reason
No,
why
you have to do. Come on, let's see how you do.
Yeah, done.
Done? Finish?
हाँ, obviously.
और कुछ बाकी है?
Lipstick done, highlighter done, highlighter on point.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Done.
Yeah.
Wait. So guys, oh my god. Okay, Madhu, open. Kholo. Disaster. So
Hey, what? I did so good.
yeah, you did good with the
See,
base,
highlighter.
eyeshadow, and the liner.
Oh my
Eyeliner
God.
is so on point, and look at the lipstick. I mean,
I told you I can't.
I
do
just
liner.
love it.
See, अगर liner नहीं करती ना this.
And that blue and orange transition on point. So yeah, we're done.
Yeah, you're done.
I
like the highlighter. Okay. Literally,
and that bulb on my nose.
I like the highlighter a lot, and
You did a good job with base actually.
the blush is like on point. I feel that blush is okay,
You are about to apply contour as blush and blush as
but I did correct now.
later on you did correct. So yes, I did say out of 5 actually. Let's do it from 5. 3.
And see, I don't want to apply the liner. Okay, अगर मैं eyeliner नहीं लगाती तो this whole look would have done amazing.
With the mascara also. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and comment. Until next time, bye.